Hello,
Hello,
where are you from?
I'm from Cameroon and I'm on the stand of Turkmenistan.
Thank you. First of all, it's our country's well-known drink. If you follow our Instagram account, you will take it for free.
Oh, okay, let me follow you. Okay, I follow you.
Okay, taste it. Let us how it drinks.
I'm sure I'm gonna enjoy. Nice! It's really nice. It's pure and it's sweet and very concentrated. I like it.
Also, what's your opinion? Our culture, our tradition, our clothes.
I like your culture because last year I participated to this cultural day and they gave me dress and I model because I'm a model. So they gave me your dresses. I enjoy the culture, the dance and everything. It's really, really fun, Turkmenistan. I wish one day I visit your country.
Thank you for participation.
Thank you.